recording. Start when you're ready.
Partnering with Rilla was 100% the right decision. We knew that Rilla would offer us the opportunity to separate ourselves from the competition. We specialize in windows and bathrooms, but we do additional projects on the house as well. Rilla has been an absolute game changer here at Your Home Improvement Company.
Prior to the use of Rilla, here in the Omaha branch, we were struggling to hit our numbers, period. Rilla has allowed us to almost double our closing rate as an office. It allowed us to hit our quota 3 out of the last 4 months. One specific sales rep has doubled his income. That has been extremely positive. It's changed his physical demeanor, it's changed his morale, and we all know that in the world of sales, the mentality of how you go into a home is 90% of what you're doing.
With Rilla, time is money at the end of the day, so we have the ability to do a ride-along in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes that would have otherwise taken us 2.5 to 3 hours to complete.
What usually took 30 days to correct an action now can be done in less than 2 or 3 listens as far as an appointment goes. And it allows you to be in 3 different places at the same time, which is invaluable. I believe that Rilla has dramatically increased the income of all of my sales reps. By increasing their income, that increases the office's overall volume. It allows me as a sales manager to hit my bonus structure. If they're making money, they're happy. If I'm making money, I'm happy. And if our office is performing, everybody above us in the corporate office is also happy.
I would absolutely recommend Rilla to anybody who's looking to utilize the software like this. I would be afraid to give away the secret sauce in terms of our competition utilizing Rilla, but it has been absolutely critical in our success here as of late.